Hi! In front of me is cat S75 and today I would like to show you how you can locate all your downloads on this device. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Now select Browse at the bottom in the middle if it's not already on. If you see this kind of pop-up, select Got It first. Then click on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!